So I decided to do a full seal change and what do you call it, hammer spring on the Arms S410. I had it 16 years, never been touched. From what I've seen on other videos, that bit just pops out. People are just unscrewing them. Didn't think there was going to be a problem. Knew there was a special tool, but I thought, oh, I'll just put a bit of duct tape around it or something and get it with the grips. No, not having it. So I thought I am going to need a tool. So I made this one. Slips in a treat, twisty twist. It wasn't quite that easy. I had to put a load of gaffer tape around it and used mole grips. If you do have to use mole grips, make sure you put loads and loads and loads and loads of gaffer tape around, so if it does bite through, it's not going to damage your tube. Anyway, if you want to make one of these, this is how I made it. I add a bit of cardboard like that over the top, just over the top, to mark out the size, so you know it goes over the hole, and you know exactly where your two small holes are on a bit of paper. Then I had this bit of 10mm steel. So mark that on there. Cut out the hole. That was 22. Well, I got a set of Bosch hole saws, and 22mm was the nearest one. Now, if you do a 22mm, those little holes are right. Oh, you can see they're right on the edge. So I tacked them in with a bit of welder, and yeah, what I tacked in with the weld was the 3mm drill bit that I used to drill the holes with. Just cut the end on it. It's a worth extra long one, but when you're drilling the holes, make sure that they are dead straight and dead level, because you haven't got a lot of play. And if they're not dead straight and dead level, then they won't line up very well. I'm trying to put this on and look through the viewfinder. There we go. No, we ain't. Where are we? There. But yeah, I thought, oh, I could either buy one for like 15 quid off the internet, 20 quid, whatever they are, or come out here. It took me about half an hour, but that's what I did. 3mm drill bit, 22mm hole, 10mm steel. Hope that might help somebody out. Cheers then, boy.